You can edit an image, right? You just need to add an image link. I can show you how to create an image link. There's no problem. I'll show you that right away. You're simply going to create a funnel here that you'll name image, all right? You can delete all the pages. Delete the pages. There you go. Right here, you can easily incorporate an extra step. You put image. Here, you add an information page. Okay? Start from scratch, save. Here, you can click edit. On Systeme.io, you know how to add an image. You insert an image. Here, all you have to do is add your image. For example, here is my image. I'm going to save. All right? We're simply going to open the funnel with the image, right click, copy the image address, and you can just paste it directly into your sales funnel. And that way you can create lots of images, all right? Here you can add another image. Here you add another image. Then you need to save. You have all your images here. Simple and effective. You can do everything with Systeme.io.